Sabi ni Presidente Marcos, priority niya magpakulong dahil dito sa flood control. Nagawa niya ba? Hindi. Bola lang. Sinabi ni Presidente, priority niya yung independent commission na ipasaba? Hindi. Bola lang. Ngayon, sabi niya, priority niya, anti-political dynasty. Alam na alam niya yung meaning ng dynasty sapagkat kaming dalawa ang author nung kauna-unahang batas na mayroong provision ng
Your Honor,
anti-political dynasty bill.
Your
Bola
Honor,
lahat.
Please,
Bola nun.
Your
Bola,
Honor, please,
bola.
direct-
Marcos. Bago niyo po i-consolidate, wini-withdraw ko na po yung aking...
Motion.
Huwag niyo na pong isama yung aking bill. Hindi po ako papayag na makasama yung bill ko sa ganyang klase ng usapan. Salamat po. Mr. Chair, kung ipapasa po natin itong version na ito po ay hindi anti-political dynasty bill. Dahil ito po, mas worst pa sa nangyayari ngayon. Hindi lang po mataba na dynasty ang ipopromote nito, bundat na dynasty ang ipopromote nito. Pangalawa po, maliwanag sa ating konstitusyon. Sa mga framers ng konstitusyon natin, meron pong parameters on how to define a political dynasty. One, it should promote equal access and opportunities to ordinary citizens for public office. Dito po, yung 10 kayo na magkakamag-anak, lahat kayo pwedeng kumandidato dito sa iba't ibang mga posisyon. Pangalawa po, ang sinabi ng konstitusyon ng mga framers ng constitution, it should prevent monopoly of power. 10 kayo, pwede. Hindi may monopoly of power, ang liwanag. Hindi, the Congress have been ignoring the anti-political dynasty provision of the 1987 Constitution for 39 years. Binabaliwala natin. Pero ngayon, mas worse. Bakit? Binabastos natin ang essence ng konstitusyon kung ipapasa natin itong bill na ito. Alam nyo, sabi ni Presidente Marcos, priority niya magpakulong dahil dito sa flood control. Nagawa niya ba? Hindi. Bola lang. Sinabi ni Presidente, priority niya yung independent commission na ipasaba? Hindi. Bola lang. Ngayon, sabi niya, priority niya anti-political dynasty. Alam na alam niya yung meaning ng dynasty sapagkat kaming dalawa ang author nung kauna-unahang batas na mayroong provision ng
Your Honor,
anti-political dynasty bill.
Your
Bola
Honor,
lahat.
Please,
Bola nun.
Your
Bola,
Honor, please,
bola.
direct-
Marcos.
Your Honor, please direct. If there's a objection, you don't need to explain your objection. You just say you objected to the motion. I would, but I would allow. I only allowed you to say your piece, Mr. Chair, just to be fair. No. So there was an objection. Congressman Tino, would you also like to raise your objection? Wala.
Yes, I also object to the
sige.
motion,
So
Mr.
there's
Chair.
a motion. There's an objection to the motion to adopt the substitute bill. The House unnumbered House bill as a substitute bill is there. So there's a division. There's a motion. There's an objected to. So we divide the House. Those who are in favor.
Mr. Chair,
Of the
before the
motion,
voting, may I withdraw my authorship of the bill?
I'm sorry. Hindi ko po narinig. You're removing.
May I withdraw my authorship on the proposed bill?
Okay, granted. So we divide the House. So those who are in favor of the motion to adopt the unnumbered House bill as our substitute bill, please raise your hand.
One point, Mr.
Okay,
Chair.
sige, Congressman Irice.
So, ano po yung working draft na gagamitin natin? Ilan pong mga miyembro ng pamilya ang pupwede, ilang consanguinity, at may succession ba ito? Wala. Para lang po maliwanag. Yung working draft na pinopropose natin, ano po yung content nun?
Yes, actually yung working draft natin is second degree.
And
Second degree of consanguinity and affinity. If only Congressman Irice would allow to proceed, meaning we can adopt already the working draft. Working draft naman to, it's not finalized.
Yes.
So we
Gusto
can
lang po
discuss
natin-
those things We can discuss those things, Your Honor. Kung mamarapatin niyo
Yes,
po.
Mr. Chair. Gusto ko lang po malaman sa working draft, kasi sinabi niyo na, second degree of consanguinity, okay yun, walang problema. Ano po yung working draft? Ilang miyembro ng pamilya ang po pwede sa national at local dun sa working draft natin? At may succession ba yan o wala? Madali naman sagutin eh. Para lang maliwanag yung draft natin. Para mag-prepare kami kung ano man yung aming mga arguments tungkol dun sa ano na yun. Ano po yung draft na yan?
Okay. So, second degree of civil relationship, and one national, one local, one House of Representatives, one city, one municipality, and one barangay. And so yun po yung ano.
Clarify lang, Mr. Chair. One local.
One local, one national.
One congressman.
One province, yeah. One municipio, one
hindi
city,
po local.
and one barangay.
Hindi, one province, one city, one municipality, one barangay, one national.
Yes.
So, 5. Pag sa isang probinsya, 7 ang city, 12 ang pwede. Tama po
Yes.
yan?
Basta, ang version po, working draft is they don't actually run in the same political unit. So yun, that's the limitation.
Sir, bago nyo po i-consolidate, wini-withdraw ko na po yung aking...
Motion.
Huwag nyo na pong isama yung aking bill. Hindi po ako papayag na makasama yung bill ko sa ganyang klase ng usapan. Salamat po.
Anyway, we are consolidating naman, Your Honors eh. So, hindi, we're not necessarily... Yes, Congressman Kimbo.
Mr. Chair, the opinion of Congressman Erice is extremely valuable because he is the most knowledgeable, he is the most senior member of Congress here today. So he should participate. I think that it is premature for him to say that he is withdrawing because after all, this is yet a working draft. Pwede naman siyang magbago pa. So kapag hindi nagpa-participate, sinusukuan natin yung proseso. Eh ang dami nating maririnig at matututunan galing kay Congressman Egay Erice. So, yun ang intindi ko eh. That is the working draft, but there is no finality. Nag-a-agree lang tayo na imbis marami tayong pag-uusapan, itong pag-uusapan natin kasi marami ng co-authors dito. Iko-consider ba yun kay Congressman Erice? Definitely, ipaglalaban ko yun. Hindi pwedeng ibaliwala. So, dun natin, kasi kailangan natin madinig yung sasabihin ni Kong Egay. Kasi baka makumbinsi tayong tama siya eh. Because kahit ako, naniniwala ako sa kanya. So pero, wag tayo muna maghusga because wala pang desisyon eh. I think it's premature at this point in time. So my appeal, Mr. Chair, to Kong Egay, is please stay so that we can makapagbalangkas tayo ng tamang batas na katanggap-tanggap.
Okay.